Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. Please give me that thumbs up, the like button to share this video with others. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Drop me a comment down below that you subscribe so I can give you a shout out. I really appreciate it. And I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the Lucid stock. It has nice gains today. We're going to be talking about what the stock is valued at. Are you getting a good deal? Should you buy, sell? I think you're really going to like this video. And let's jump down into it. So this article is from Seeking Alpha. It is titled, "Is Lucid Motors stock a buy or sell after the recent SPAC merger?" I did mention this article in the past before, so it might seem familiar to you, but we are going to dive down more deeper into the financials of this company. So first, let's answer the question, is Lucid stock a buy right now? In my opinion, the answer is yes. If you can get the stock under $25, it's a very good deal in my opinion. But if you can get it down under $21, it's a steal of a deal. But let's talk about why. According to this article, most EV pure plays or stocks are not profitable yet, giving examples such as NIO, XPeng, and many more. So Tesla is the only electric vehicle out there that is profitable, and it cannot be reasonably valued looking at that it trades 370 times its profits. So this is a very highly overvalued company. But the reason why it's trading at such a high amount is that it is a technology company, and it's not, and it should not be valued as a car company. I think this is going to be the case with a lot of electric vehicles and a lot of electric vehicle companies. I believe personally that the company that has the best technology and that has the best battery will be the king. Right now, Tesla is dominating in the market, and I think that Lucid Motors has a very nice potential to be second to that, if not be neck and neck in this race. So we'll definitely have to see. Now, speaking of technology, I did want to mention that Lucid has very, very good technology. It's a very well-positioned player in the electric vehicle space. It has the best, so far, battery efficiency in this industrial leading. It does have 4.5 miles per kilowatt versus most of its peers, especially the German vehicles, are producing about 2 miles per kilowatt range, and Tesla is producing 4 miles per kilowatt range. And Lucid does seem to be a little bit ahead of Tesla, but we'll definitely have to see once we see this product working in real life. So as an example, the Lucid Air has ranges of over 500 miles, and in one of its trims, it can go up to 517 miles on one single charge, which is very attractive, especially for customers that have range anxiety. So Lucid does showcase that it does have the industry leading horsepower per kilogram in all of its engines, and it also has an ultra low drag efficient, which helps the battery gets this long efficiency as well. From a technology point of view, we do have Lucid's proprietary technology that enables ultra fast charging. It does also have the Wonderbox, which is a bi-directional charging system. What this means is that if you have a smart home that has electrical capabilities, electrical charging, if you have a battery pack, you can hook your Lucid Air up to your house and use the energy from your vehicle to charge your house if you did have an outage. This is a world first, and I think this is very important to recognize for this company. Now, when you do compare the Lucid Air, the Grand Touring, and the Dream Edition, it can charge very lightning fast. It can charge in 20 minutes, you can get up to 300 miles. If you do compare this to Tesla Model S, the long range, it can charge in 15 minutes, 200 miles. The Tesla S Plaid Edition is 15 minutes, 200 miles. And the Porsche Taycan Turbo S can charge 160 miles in 22.5 seconds. So as you can see that the leading company here is Lucid Motors, that you can get the most mileage out of the least amount of time, which is very fantastic in this company. Now, this article does go on to say that these are projected numbers and they have not been proven independently in production vehicles. So we'll definitely have to see if these vehicles do perform in real world situations. But its strong technology combined with its attractive design, quality materials makes Lucid a very attractive vehicle and a product for its high-end electric vehicles. And in this market, the electric vehicle market, I do think that it will find a very nice niche. Now, the vehicle is selling as low as $77,000, and these are before any federal tax credits for the base model for the Air Pure. And the Air Dream can sell all the way up to $169,000. Now, all of the vehicles this year will be the Air Dream. There will be 577 vehicles delivered, so we definitely shall see. But the big news is that over 11,000 reservations to date have been moving forward, and Lucid has said that it is on track to meet the demand of this vehicle and of their product. Now, Lucid Motors, according to its financial statements that were released back in May of this year, it did expect that by the year 2022, it will be producing 20,000 of its Lucid Air vehicles. Starting in the year 2023, it will introduce its SUV, the Gravity. It will be producing a total of 49,000 vehicles, which are a combination of mostly the Lucid Air and a little bit of the Gravity. However, in the year 2024, we will have about a 50-50% with the Gravity, the SUV, and the Lucid Air sedan, which will be producing about 90,000 vehicles per year. Moving up to the year 2025, we will have 135,000 electric vehicles made from Lucid Motors, and the majority of these will be the SUV. They are projecting that future models may be starting in the year 2025, and we'll definitely have to see. By this year, 2025, Lucid Motors as a company be in the positive with the free cash flow. This will be very big for the company, and I think this is where the company stock will be at one of its highest points. So now let's see why Lucid Motors is a great buy right now, and it is its valuation. According to this article, the revenue will be projected for Lucid Motors to be $23 billion by the year 2026, and Lucid does not seem to be overly expensive when you do compare it to Tesla. Tesla right now is trading at 19 times its revenues. So even if the Lucid were to only trade at only 25% that, which would give it about a 4.8% revenue in the year 2024, its market cap could raise by about $110 billion 5 years from now, which does give it a very nice increase in its stock price. So what we need to wait for now is, can this company hit its goals? We do need to start seeing the production vehicles and the delivery of these vehicles, and I think this stock will do very, very good, and I can't wait to see that. It should be in the next few weeks. I do project by the end of August, at the beginning of September, we will start seeing these deliveries coming out. Now, I did find this article that just came out. It was just 23 minutes ago. It is hot off the press. It was from Phoenix Fox 10 that Lucid Motors is opening up its first retail location at the Stocksdale Fashion Square. So this will be opening very close to its manufacturing plant in Casa Grande, but this is the first location that is set to open in Arizona. When speaking with Lucid's Senior Director for Retail Operations, they say that they will have a car that is a mid-size luxury vehicle, maybe the size of a Mercedes E-Class, but the interior is much larger. Based on its technology, it does offer a lot more room inside than any other vehicle out there. The most important thing that I think a lot of consumers will take away is that it has a very high performance with a very long range. For all those people that have range anxiety, you will be able to drive over 500 miles on a single charge, which is amazing. 0 to 60 is outstanding. It can go 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. This will be an amazing vehicle, and I can't wait for it to come out. Now, looking at the stock price, Lucid Motors did do very well today. It did start off by trading at $22.94, and it did have a very nice pop up to about $23.86, and we did end the day at $23.38, which was up 2.77% for the day. If we look in the past week, we still are down. We did test that base of about $22 and that's 64 cents. So the good news is that this stock is not going any lower than that $22, $23. So this is a very nice chance to get into the stock if you are interested. But again, please do your own due diligence. If we go in the past month, we are down by 8.4%. You did see that we always had this base at about, again, $22. Anytime we went under that $22.50, we've had a lot of buyers that pop this stock back up. We do still have that resistance about $26, $27. We've tested it twice, once in July 12th, and then we tested it again on July 26th. I do think that once the vehicles start producing, and next week, I think we do have a very good chance of this stock popping and getting to that $26 mark and testing its new high and its new resistance ceiling again. For the stock price prediction, I do have the Wallet Investor, which does give it a 1-year forecast of $42.31. The 5-year forecast is $115, which is amazing growth in this stock. It's about 4.5 times your money in the next 5 years. I think patience is key right now, but this stock should do very, very well if Lucid Motors can deliver. Well, I hope you liked this video and I hope you learned something new. I think Lucid Motors is a great company. It has great technology. The biggest thing we need to do right now is to have patience for the vehicles to be delivered. Once they're delivered, I think that the news and consumers can review the vehicle, and I think it's going to be great. And I think it's going to have a really nice stock price moving forward. Well, if you liked my video, please give me that thumbs up so this can be shared with others. Also, if you can, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all. If you can also share this video with others, if you can share it with your family or friends, that next door neighbor, and I really appreciate you helping this channel. Thank you so much for all your help and all your support. If you would like to help out the channel, I put a link down below for Robinhood. If you use that link, you can get a stock. I'll get a stock for free as well. We can also use Webull. Webull is a nice trading platform. If you deposit $100 or as low as $5, you do get stocks for free as well by opening an account. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all your support.